fjord again. Look outside. I think last night it rained a lot. So just follow us, guys. So guys, we really are in Fjord. We are on our way to the Centrum, and of course maybe to Skinsarvik. It's just a neighboring town, which, you know, it's along the road. And Fjord is worth visiting is because it has so much attraction, including waterfalls, mountains, farms, and of course the Viking culture is still alive in this area. So this is also an area here that is near to the Statkraft, or the energy where they have. So this is Fjord Centrum. And we're going to fish, and first, before we're going to do that, we have to drive you around and enjoy the nature of Fjord and Skinsarvik. So, be with us, guys! For the information, Fjord is an ideal base for exploring the fjords, mountains, and of course waterfalls in the region of Hardanger here in the western Norway. You will see typical fjord village in Fjord, and of course it's home to several hundreds of Norwegian people.
Her lager de Hardangerbestikket.
This is the souvenir shops with crazy expensive things. In Skinsarvik Kommuna or municipality, there's a lot of camping places where you can enjoy and stay. And of course, before, Skinsarvik is its own municipality, but now it's called ULLENSVANG Municipality together with the Fjord. It's all belongs to ULLENSVANG Municipality, and the village is located at the end of a small bay at the confluence of the Surfjorden and the Fjord. So this is so beautiful here, where you can actually fish and enjoy the nature. And due to its important location along Hardanger Fjorden, Skinsarvik has been an important location since the Viking Age. And Skinsarvik has been the site of Skinsarvik Church since 12th century. Actually, guys, we can fish here, but it's quite early. And instead of taking out our fishing rods, we decided to just use my fishing rod, and then we, take turns, because we're just testing the water. And if we're lucky, of course, maybe we will get fish, and if not, then better luck next time, or we're going to wait for the next trip here in Hardanger. This is Hardanger Fjords already, guys. Beautiful. Along the coastal road of Hardanger, from Eidfjord to Skinsarvik. Beautiful. So guys, this area is also quite dangerous. You see, there's so many logs, lumbers. There you go. And also that side. And that's double. So you need to be careful where you park. And if it's full here, you can't park. And anyway, this is not an area recommended for fishing, because you can fish here with at your own risk. So let's change location tayo. Anyway, guys, it's nice to have some good coffee and cafe latte. That's really good cafe. Mr. Coffee. Baka naman dyan. Oh, so good. So guys, we are in Eidfjord Centrum, and we're going to fish in this area. It's so nice. That's a hotel. We were there like last year, and now, every summer this area, guys, is fully occupied. So we're going to fish in this area, guys. We have been here earlier, and we're going to fish. Look at that. I can hear some fish. And fish. And Anba will try. Let it put this way.
Deep within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves, it keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine.
There's nothing. We got our food delivered and we are ready. We're going back to our cabin, son.
Yeah.
And eat there, guys. It's cold here. We're going back there and maybe we'll take a trip later. We're going out tomorrow. It's relaxing time here. You see people. This area, guys, is so nice, so wonderful, but only in winter time it's crazy cold here too. But summer, there's a lot of people. This is one of the tourist destinations. So let's drive back home or back to our cabin. Yes, I need my my seat belt. So guys, same way lang naman tayo. So stop muna natin yung pag-video. See you in